Huh?
Wasting?
So tired of which?
What?
Wasting?
Can you just scotch her a little bit? That's good.
Oh, now my wire's all short.
That's good. Hey guys, mag-whisper challenge me dahil may nag-request sa pinakauna naming whisper challenge na part 2 daw. So ito na naman tayo sa mga kalokohan ng whisper challenge. Play it now. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me, Tammy? Tammy? Can you hear me?
Can
you hear me?
I heard that. I didn't hear you before.
Is the music okay? Can you hear me like this? You have to look at my mouth. Can you hear me?
I can't understand what you're saying.
Okay. Whisper. Okay guys.
I can win that way.
Okay, so nag-start na tayo guys. Ano lang ito, katuwaan lang guys ha. May part 1 na kami. I will put the link down below guys para makita niyo yung part 1. So yeah, so okay. Watch my mouth. When you're in between. Can you hear me? Can you hear me a little bit? Lower it down. You know how to lower it down. Lower down. Okay. Okay. You don't realize.
Again, do it again.
You.
Me.
You.
So you.
Don't.
You don't.
Realize.
Well, no, you don't.
Realize.
I don't realize.
How many.
How many?
You hear me? People. People.
People.
You hear me, I? You hate. You
Do
hate.
again.
You hate.
No, I'm not getting that.
You. Just say you.
You.
Hate. Hate. Hate.
I don't know. You eat what?
Hate.
You eat?
That's good.
You don't realize how many people you eat?
You hate. Okay, next one. Okay. I married.
Again.
I married.
You. I.
Married.
Remember?
An.
Us.
Anti-vacciner.
Slow down. You're not. That
Okay,
can't be a word.
another one. Finally realizing. Finally realizing. Finally realizing.
Are you kidding me? What? One word at a time, please.
Finally
No,
realizing.
one word at a time.
That's one word. Realizing.
So again.
Realizing.
Realize what?
Realizing.
Finally realize.
Zing.
Finally realize you.
I was in a toxic.
You're doing more than one word. I know that.
I
Finally realize you. What? Finally realize I.
Yeah.
Was.
In a toxic.
Tricked into doing this stupid thing?
I will recover. I will.
You wish you could fly? One word, please.
Okay. Marriage.
Sandwich?
Marriage.
Play which?
Marriage. Me.
Be.
Me.
A bewitch? The show Bewitched?
Marriage. Okay. Abuse.
A moose? Hey, you bewitched a moose? That's really bad.
Abuse. Abuse.
Chocolate mousse?
No, forget this. Okay, my husband.
Ah, you're not even doing it. You're just moving your mouth. It's not even the right way.
Okay, no, I did my
My
husband.
My part in this video sucks. What?
Do you have music?
Yes.
Okay. Safe. Spaces. Space.
Busy.
Spaces.
Safe pieces.
Spaces.
Safe spaces.
Give.
Thief.
Give.
Like a crook, a thief.
Give. No. Give.
Give. Like give to you.
Give. False.
Oh wait. Safe space. Give.
False.
False. Wait. Hold on. It's slowing down. It's going lower and lower. Hold on.
Impressions.
Again. Say again. One more.
Impressions.
Safe space gives false.
Impressions. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Safe space gives false impressions. Impressions.
About.
Say again.
About. The word.
The world.
Okay. I slept.
You slept.
Yeah. With the bride.
You slept with.
With the
You
bride.
You slept with the bride.
The night before.
So you didn't slip. You slept.
Yeah.
With the bride of Frankenstein.
You're stupid. And you hear me now.
Wait. I lost one. One ear went out. Why is that funny?
The night.
The next one?
The night before.
Before?
The night.
You slept with the bride of Frankenstein before?
The wedding.
Before she was that ugly? Before you slept with the bride before she got married.
The wedding.
Before the wedding.
Yeah.
Hon, you should never do that. I mean, what would people say?
Work.
I'm a werewolf?
Work.
I were.
Work like.
I was.
Work.
I walked. I eat. You're not saying eat, hon.
Okay. I retire.
Whatever you're saying has a W. I can tell that.
Yeah.
I want. I was. I will. I wanna be.
Work.
I wish.
Work.
Was.
Okay. Retirement.
One word at a time.
Yeah, that's one.
Get out of here. That's not one word.
Retirement.
Don't say it Tagalog.
No. Retirement.
I'm not getting none of this. Get climbed.
No, forget it.
Look at me when you talk.
Hold on, I'm looking here. In bed.
In bed.
With a resident.
With a
resident.
An orange.
Resident.
Lying in bed with an orange something.
Resident.
With a crazy person?
Take a break. Okay. Han, you read it this one Tagalog, ha?
Yeah, I not do Tagalog.
Can you just...
Fine. I would be pronouncing it wrong, you'd never get it anyway.
Okay, it's not.
I don't know, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, even if you understood my lips, you wouldn't be able to get it because I'm saying it wrong. How would that work for you? So I can pick any of these?
Okay.
Ay, 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 ay. These are too long.
Don't you ever get lonely?
No. Oh, I'm supposed to whisper, right? No.
Hello?
No.
No?
Social.
No, don't.
Social. Social.
Don't.
Social.
Say it again first.
Social. So.
No. You don't.
Social. Social.
Open your mouth properly.
Social.
Huh?
Social.
Don't. No.
They don't know. Oh. So.
Slow.
So.
No.
So.
Snowed.
So.
Huh? Open your mouth. Eh?
So.
Show.
So. 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 So.
So.
Tired.
Why you make faces?
Tired.
Huh?
Tired. Tired.
So tired.
Of.
To me.
Of.
So tired.
Of.
So tired of.
Wasting.
So tired of.
Wasting.
Wednesday.
Wasting. Wasting.
Huh?
Wasting.
So tired of which? What?
Wasting.
I only say Wednesday in your mouth.
Wasting. Wasting.
Winch die.
Wasting. Wasting.
Fly pinch.
Wasting.
Winch pinch. Say what is that?
Wasting.
Wasting, hun. Sting. That's bite, hun.
Well, hun, I didn't want to whip out my finger and stick it in you.
Hold on. The music is down. Hold on.
My.
Huh?
My.
My.
Time.
My time.
With.
Women.
Who?
My time with women.
Who. Aren't.
Oranger.
Aren't.
Aren't.
Right.
Right.
For me.
For me.
So tired of wasting my time with women who aren't right for me.
I don't know the whole word now.
So.
I forgot the whole thing. You.
So.
You don't.
So. How do you forget? So.
No.
So.
No.
So. So.
You.
So.
Show.
So. Tired.
So tired of time
Wasting.
with girl.
Wasting. Wasting.
Orange.
Wasting.
We stink.
Wasting.
We stink.
My
Mine.
time.
Wasting my time
With.
women.
Who.
You.
Who.
Aren't right for me.
There you go. Jeez.
Just one touch of
I'll give you another
my-
short one.
Women.
No. I
I
need
I
Need.
eat.
Need.
I heal.
Need. I need.
Guys, look at her face. Look at this face, guys. Hey.
If
You
were
stuck.
Stuck. On.
Stuck hard.
On.
Leg. I stuck cover.
On.
End.
It.
End.
It.
End.
It.
End.
It. It.
B. Want a very special love in you.
If you were stuck on an island with only 1 foot, what would
Would
it be?
it be? Would it be?
Let it be. Let it be. This is crazy, guys.
Okay, guys,
I think you were cheating.
No, I'm not cheating.
I think you were. Some words you got like that, like nothing. And then other words sound like you
I'm
were
good
playing.
in English.
I think you were cheating. I think you had it really low.
Yes, thank you.
Or
Thank you
disconnected
guys.
one.
Thank you guys for watching. Salamat guys sa panonood. Ina
Hey
namin
guys,
to
now you
kasi,
see how crazy she really is.
kasi sumasakit na lalo yung ulo niya. And then Roxy wants to join.
Perhaps you want to say hello? You want to say hello? Say hello. Okay.
No, honey, oy, honey. No, hon.
You can say hello.
No, she want a whisper challenge
You
too.
want to whisper to me? I whisper to you. Really? Really? What?
Honey,
You don't say.
Don't.
That's what, yeah, I'll whisper to you. Alright? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Honey, no. Oh, she loves it when you do that. She loves it. Okay guys,
She's gonna try to bite my face.
Thank you guys for watching. See you sa mga vlogs namin. And yes, sakit ulo niya guys. Sumakit ulo na sa awa ko.
Blasted music in my ears.
Okay guys.
Hi guys.
See you next time. Ang ganda pa naman ng music nito eh.
It didn't seem as crazy as the last time.
Huh?
That didn't seem as crazy as the last time.
The first time we
But
did it.
these questions, they're just stupid. They're like, you need to find good ones ahead of time. Not have to start scrolling to a list to see anything that's... I mean, I didn't want to read nonsensical ones.
It's nice, it's fun. We need to look.
Yeah, but they're like, they're nonsense.
Next time we have to do Tagalog one. You have to try to read Tagalog. Sabihin nyo guys, like guys, kung gusto nyo Tagalog, si Tami magbabasa ng mga Tagalog.
Yeah, you're going to be saying that.
Yeah, so, okay? I-try lang namin good. I-try lang namin para...
We're going to do Portuguese.
Tagalog.
Portuguese.
Tagalog whisper
Portuguese.
challenge. And we cannot even read Portuguese. We don't write English.
This way neither one of us can pronounce it. And neither one of us will ever guess anyway,
Whatever.
because we don't know what the hell it is.
Yeah, we're stupid. But anyway, bye.
I guess.